dinner, first thing that comes to our mind is starter. So here starts our struggle. We all want our starters to be flavorful, good at presentation, less oily. Our today's recipe is going to tick mark all your boxes. So without wasting much time, let's start with our today's recipe, baby corn satay with peanut sauce. So ingredients for today's recipe are handful of peanuts, baby corns, around 12 to 15 baby corns I've taken, coconut milk, some water, oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon Thai red curry paste, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic, 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped onion, salt, chili flakes, pinch of turmeric and some skewers. Let's start our recipe. As you can see, I have cut these heads of baby corns and washed them nicely. We'll prepare the marination first. Take 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, red curry paste, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon honey, half tablespoon chili flakes, because we have added already Thai red curry paste also, which is very spicy. Little bit of salt. Mix it well. And marinate baby corns in this mixture. We can use our hands also for this. If you feel that this mixture is very thick to marinate, you can use little water. After marinating the baby corns, keep it aside for some time. By the time we'll prepare peanut sauce, pour some oil in a pan. Add garlic, almost 1 tablespoon, chopped onions, 3 to 4 tablespoons, and saute it well. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons peanuts, roasted peanuts in this. If you want, you can add peanut butter also. 1 teaspoon soya sauce, a pinch of turmeric, little salt and chili flakes. Here I have almost 1 cup of coconut milk with me. Add coconut milk to this. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes again. Switch off the flame. Add some lime juice. Now let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. So our baby corns are marinated nicely. Now I'm taking these skewers and insert these squares carefully in the baby corns like this. Make sure the skewer goes till end. So like this, we'll insert all the skewers. After inserting all the skewers, time to grill them. Heat a grilled pan and pour some oil. It's always as you can see, I have poured the leftover marination also on the top. Grilling will take around 5 to 10 minutes. By the time our baby corn is getting grilled, we'll pour this peanut sauce in a blender and we'll blend it nicely. Our peanut sauce is absolutely ready. Pour it into a bowl. So our baby corn is nicely done. You can see the color of marination, the caramelized effect of honey. Switch off the flame. It's time to serve. Our dish is already ready and our baby corns are also nicely done. Time to serve. Here's our baby corn satay with peanut sauce.